boys. There's Louie on top of my head, his favorite spot, and Scotty on my shoulder. This is where they love to be. Look at those two Velcro birds. They just love to cling to me like Velcro. Look at this, especially Louie. He clings to my head. Hey, Louie, with those beautiful eyes. Hey, Louie. These are the greatest pets in the world because they're so smart and loving, but not like a dog or a cat. They're much more intelligent than a dog or a cat. They're said to be as intelligent as an 8-year-old, and I believe it, if not more. Oh yeah, I see it all the time, every day, in the things they do. They fly by my room to check on me, everything. They see that Daddy's recuperating from his knee replacement surgery, and they want to know how I'm doing, so they fly by the room. And they wait for me, and they come into the room. Sometimes they walk in. Sometimes they just fly by. They're always interacting.